If you have started your online business and want to grow your email list, you might be thinking that you need some fancy funnel, some pricey tools, and some clever hacks. But honestly, it doesn't have to be that complicated. Building a list of email addresses can be so much simpler than you might expect. In fact, we built an email list of 7,432 subscribers in less than a year for one of our businesses. That's about 20 people signing up every single day. And the best part? It all came from just one simple campaign. We didn't pay for any ads, we used free software, and we created our own opt-in landing page, so that meant we didn't have to pay for a designer. Now let me walk you through the main steps of how we built that list of more than 7,000 subscribers in less than a year. First, we created something valuable that our audience actually wanted, and we gave it away for free. We knew people wanted it because we'd done our research, but that's a story for another video. So you could offer anything that provides value, like a template, a spreadsheet, an ebook, a guide, or even a mini video course. In marketing, we call this a lead magnet. Second, we needed a way to get that free resource in front of people. For us, one of the best tools was our YouTube channel. We placed a link in the description of our videos that sent people straight to the opt-in page where they could sign up for the freebie. And third, and this is the most important step, the opt-in landing page we created was super simple. And when I say simple, I really mean it. Like I said before, we designed it in System.io, and the design was clean, clear, and focused on just one action, getting visitors to sign up for the free resource. And once we had people's email addresses, we were able to market our services to them. So if you're looking at doing the same thing, here are a few tips that make a simple landing page work. Keep the design clean and distraction-free. One offer, one action. Clearly highlight the benefit of your freebie so people instantly see the value. Keep the form short. A first name and email is all you need. That's what we did, and once we launched the funnel, people started opting in straight away. Now on the flip side, here's a few tips on what doesn't work. Long landing pages that bury the offer under walls of text. Overly flashy graphics, animations, or strong off-putting colors that distract the visitor. Multiple calls to action that confuse people and send them elsewhere. Asking for too much information in your form, it just turns people off. The bottom line is, don't overcomplicate it. Stick to what works and you will build your email list much faster. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.